This is the pack of chains here. I'd been saying they were $6 a chain. They work out to $10. Still a good deal though. I forgot there was some delivery. Still really liking it. I bucked some hardwood after I made the video and still working top notch. Gonna try some more milling. We moved the whole operation down here in the shade a few days ago when it was hotter than crap, and now I'm freezing down here in the shade. But anyway, I'm gonna try the MS170 and these $6 chains that we got on Amazon. Cheapest chains on Amazon. See how they mill. I cut one piece with it and I did have to retighten it. I'm not sure if the chain stretched or not. That was just a cross cut. So we'll get set up and see if we can't square that log up and make a little bench. That looks pretty good. The saw going. Wow, I gotta say that's pretty good cut. How are we making out here? No, it didn't stretch anymore. I like this chain. So far we've had a steel chain that came on it. I bought a replacement steel and an Oregon chain, and I think the two replacements were 30 bucks each. Didn't cut any better than this. Now we'll see how it lasts. I'll finish this off and show you it's cutting really nice. I had been milling with Noah's 261 and so it doesn't cut as clean for sure, and I can't say that it even cuts any quicker. This is so the MS170 is on sale right now with steel. The suggested retail price is $230. I'm not sure if it's any cheaper where I get saws. I get my stuff at CR Yardworks in Riverview. I think I bought that a year ago, Father's Day, when they usually have a Father's Day sale. Anyway, very happy with it. Don't buy one of these used on Marketplace for 300 bucks. They're on sale all the time for $230. I think I paid $199 for this actually, but that was a year or two ago, I guess, 2 years. Let's see if we can see the cut here. That's a pretty nice smooth cut. That's the slab, but that's going to be the bench. It's pretty nice. Some over here that I cut with the 261. Yeah, they're pretty smooth too. That's a nice cut. Probably any of the rough stuff is where I screwed up, like here. That's where I went down in again. But man, I don't know if you saw the plunge cut when I first went in. That little chain cuts like crazy. I love it. Yeah, miserable video going down the other side of the log. I guess they call this a beam maker chainsaw mill. It's not like an Alaskan mill. So far I've only used it to flatten the two sides. Makes like a landscaping tie. Nice cut. I don't know, I gotta find something to do with these slabs. I wish they were a little bigger. Nice. So I saved these poles out. They're probably 10 feet long. Think about making like a rail fence, or even just sell them to put a birdhouse on. This one here especially has got some character. It would sure look nice with a birdhouse on it. If anybody wants any, let me know. Just gonna do another short video. I started cutting on the Upcut. Somebody mentioned that they use their Alaskan mill that way, and I do like it a lot better. It's a little bit less messy. The sawdust just shoots down, but it's a lot easier to control. I can kind of rest my elbow on my knee, and I can see exactly what's going on. So this is my last cut of the day. So where did I put my helmet? There it is. I really like these chains. Holy, I milled a bunch of stuff. I'll count it up there in a second, and haven't sharpened it. I hadn't planned on continuing with the 170. I was going to just try one cut, but I milled with it all day. It's working really well. Don't really like stopping mid-cut. here's what I milled with that new chain today. There's one under the 2x6 there, two there, and then two more that I made into the blocks that the benches, the logs are the bench seat, like, and then they sit on these. Nothing fancy, but it's just a way to do something with the wood rather than split it up for firewood. So it's pretty good. Like this is a rip cut, and it's still putting out nice chips. I'll find something to do a cross cut now after using that saw on quite a few cuts. That's quite a few. Yeah, I just found a big old piece of, I don't even know what it is, pine, I guess. Yeah, pine. We'll give it a cut, see what kind of chips it's still spitting out. That's awkward. Other than the saw's bogging there for some reason, I hate running out of gas. I think this is still suffering from that. That's pretty good. The little chains that come on those, even brand new, they don't work that well. Say I haven't sharpened it. It's not hugely hard cuts that I'm doing. Geez, it's still very sharp. No, man, I wouldn't go back to the other chains if they were the same price.